What's up guys, it's Soul State from Juiced, and today we're going to be looking at some of our cops from the previous Yeezy day, notably the Yeezy Onyx foam runners. That's what we're going to be looking at in this video. Real quick guys, before we get into it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. And guys, if you need any reselling tips, any reselling help at all, Juiced is here to help you. The first link down in the description is a free trial to Juiced. I can't believe we're allowed to give this away. Luckily, the guys over at Juiced have told me that I can have a personalized link that will get you guys a free trial into Juiced. No risk, no hassle, none of that. You guys click the link, follow it down below. Go check out what Juiced is all about. I promise that you guys will not be disappointed. Without further ado, let's get into these boxes that I have next to me here. Let's check out the Yeezy foam runner in the Onyx colorway. This is the one that I was most excited about. We were able to get several pairs for myself and for some ACO people. I've already sold several of the pairs. I've got two left here, so we're gonna unbox these and check them out right now. All right, so the first box here is basically already open, so I'm glad that I don't have to use too much. And honestly, we're probably just gonna open this one. I have the other box here as well. We'll see what size this one is. This one is the Onyx foam runner in a size 11. So let's unbox this one and check this one out. You know what, I'll give you guys the first peek here in the unboxing. Foam right inside there. And then these foam runners, boom, look at that. Really nice. This one's in a size 11. This is for sale as well. Yeezy foam runner Onyx, check that thing out, man. Really, really nice. This is one of the best foam runners that I think we have ever seen. I think the Onyx colorway is just super classic. I've also got a pair of Onyx slides back there that I'm holding on to. I want to make it my personal pair, but we'll see. I just don't know yet. But the Yeezy foam runner Onyx, I think by far this is one of the best shoes that we saw from Yeezy Day. Obviously the Turtle Doves was a really good one too, but the Yeezy foam runner Onyx, probably some of the best profit margins out there. We saw various Yeezy slides, Yeezy foam runners restock, but the Onyx is probably one of the best. In my opinion, this is the best Yeezy foam runner Onyx. I will say the Ochre and I think maybe the Desert Tan, those are also really good too. But for me, this all black colorway, I mean, you just can't get any better than that. Just this foam runner is just really, really nice. You guys can see tags still attached, obviously. I attached it with this little twine. I like that, it's pretty nice. Anyways, this is, I think, probably my best hit from Yeezy Day were these Onyx foam runners. I don't remember how many checkouts we got exactly on these. I think we got 8 or 9 of these Onyx foam runners. Like I said, some for me, some for ACO guys as well. That is kind of the gist of this video. I wanted to show you guys my best pickups from Yeezy Day, the Yeezy foam runner Onyx. We've got a ton of good videos for you guys this week. We're getting back into the swing of things. I'm going to be live streaming tonight. We're going to be talking about Yeezy Day and then some upcoming Yeezy releases that we have going on. So be sure to tune in to the channel tonight at 7 p.m. Central, tonight on the Juiced YouTube channel right here with your man Soul State. I'll be hosting. Let me give you guys a quick overview of the week, of what we're going to be doing this week. Obviously today we talked about our Yeezy foam runner Onyx, kind of the best cop of Yeezy Day in my opinion. Wednesday we have some Bembury, I think is how you say it, some Crocs releasing the next day, so we're going to be going over them tomorrow. We're going to be talking about resale expectations, how you guys can cop those, and why those Crocs are doing so well. Pretty interesting. Be sure to be ready for that one as well, guys. Thursday, we're going to talk about the next. We're going to see a slide restock on the 22nd, I believe. So we're going to go ahead and talk about that one. Go ahead and go over it a little bit. And then Thursday night, we will be returning with our Kith restock streams. Those are at 8 p.m. Central, so make sure that you guys are ready for those restock streams. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on as well for all of those. And then Friday, we are going to do an updated video, one that you guys have been asking for a while now. We are finally going to go over the best Yeezy supply bot once again. This is a video I've made a couple of times now, but if you guys have been botting for a while, you know that the botting landscape always changes. So has the best Yeezy supply bot changed? Ever since we've been making these videos, we've been highlighting bots like Valor and Trickle. It seems like those two have always had a stranglehold on Yeezy supply, and those have always been the best two bots fighting it out amongst one another. Has the crown been handed over? Is Trickle no longer the best Yeezy supply bot? Is Valor now once again the best Yeezy supply bot? If you guys remember, I made a video a while back saying that they were, and then Trickle retook that crown in my opinion. But with Valor's performance mode, with their performance on Yeezy Day, have they done enough to retake the #1 spot as the best Yeezy supply bot? We're gonna answer that question on Friday. So we have got a full week of videos for you guys. Be sure that you like, comment, and subscribe on all videos, guys. I really am glad to be back making videos for you guys. And if you are in need of a cook group, be sure to check out Juiced, literally for free. I can't stress this enough, guys. Juiced, the cook group, the best cook group on the market in my opinion. Also got some pretty nice hoodies too, maybe check that out. Maybe I'll get you guys a hoodie giveaway here soon. But if you guys want to check out Juiced, totally risk-free, 100% free. The link down there in the description, the very first link. Check it out, guys. Tell them that Soul State sent you. I'll see you guys in the general chat. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I will see you guys tonight for a nice stream, 7 p.m. Central. Make sure that you guys have your notifications turned on. Maybe play some games, do some giveaways, stuff like that. I'll see you guys tonight, 7 p.m. Central for the stream. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. This is Soul State from Juiced. Signing out.